Okay, now remember the same directions pertaining from last time. We're still in 1.1 part 3. This is problem D. We're given that the points 7, 13, and -3, -11 are endpoints of a diameter of a circle, and we want to find the equation of the circle. Okay? Now, what I'm going to recommend that we do here, let me see if I've got this on paper. Here we go. A little bit bigger space, okay? 7, 13, and -3, -11 are endpoints of a diameter of a circle, okay? Let's kind of graph paper this out roughly. I mean, it doesn't have to be exact, okay? The ordered pair 7, 13, it's way up here somewhere, right, in quadrant 1. The ordered pair -3, -11 is way down here. If I connect these 2 points, these 2 points are endpoints of a diameter of a very large circle, okay? Give me a break on that little part. Sorry about that. But anyhow, here's my deal. These are the 2 endpoints, and we want to know the equation of this circle. This point is the ordered pair 7, 13. This is the ordered pair -3, -11. Now, a lot of times with these kind of problems, when in doubt, you should draw a picture. Well, there are actually 2 things that we're looking for here, right? When we're trying to find an equation of a circle, we need to know the center, and we need to know the length of the radius. Now, you don't really need to pay attention to the XY axis. Just look at the circle, okay? The center of the circle is right there. It is midway between these 2 points. Now, did you catch my drift? Midway. So, to find the center of this circle, we are going to use the midpoint formula. And remember what the midpoint formula tells us to do, okay? The center of a circle is a location. Midpoint formula finds location. So, if I want to find the center of this circle, I apply the midpoint formula, and the one word I taught you with the midpoint formula is the word average. It means add together and divide by 2. So we take 7 plus -3 and divide by 2. We take 13 plus -11 and we divide by 2. In other words, add the x coordinates, divide by 2, add the y coordinates, divide by 2. Okay, let's see. This is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. This is what? 2 divided by 2 is 1. So the center of my circle is 2, 1. Now you know that automatically gives me h and k. Because when I'm finding an equation of a circle, I need h, k, and I also need r, right? So far I have h is 2, I have k is 1. And we got that by using the midpoint formula. Add. 7 plus -3 was 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Average. Add, divide by 2. 13 plus -11 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So the center of my circle is the ordered pair 2, 1. That gives me h and k. But I'm still missing r. So let's look at my picture. If I want to find r is the distance between these 2 points. It's the distance between 7, 13 and 2, 1, right? Well, how do I find distance? I apply the distance formula. So to find r, I am going to use the distance formula with these 2 points, 7, 13 and 2, 1. And you know the distance formula. You subtract the x values, so that would be 7 minus 2, and you square it. You put a plus, let's see, These are supposed to be parens. And then you subtract the y values. Okay, now let's do it in the right order. Okay? We did 7 minus 2, and then we squared it. Now we're going to do 13 minus 1. And we're going to square it. So basically we plugged into the distance formula. So 5 squared is 25. 12 squared is what, 144? This becomes the square root of 169, which is 13. Ooh, there was a lot in this problem. So we're not even done. But here's what we did. We used the midpoint formula to find the center, and then we used the distance formula to find the length of the radius. You got me? So 2 important things we did. But now when I go back to my problem, I know what? I know that h is, let me look on my paper, h is 2, k is 1, and r is 13. So now to find the equation of my circle, x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. Remember, that's the basic form of a circle, and all you do is plug 2 in for h, 1 in for k, and 13 in for r. So we end up with x minus 2 quantity squared plus y minus 1 quantity squared, and r is 13. 13 squared is 169. And that, my friends, is our answer. Hooray! Okay. And you got to check the view. Oh, isn't that pretty out there today? Oh my, don't even want to do math. Sad but true. Okay, guys. See you tonight.